Every business comes down to a few simple things. When you think about Amazon or Walmart, there's one or two sentences you can describe the whole thing.
Cheap,
fast, easy.
Let's see, Costco,
abundant, quality. Yep.
Nordstrom is customer service.
Is it?
I think so. It is for me.
Steve and Jill here.
Hi.
Welcome to the Land Academy Show, entertaining land investment talk. I'm Stephen Jack Butella.
And I'm Jill DeWitt, broadcasting from sweet Scottsdale, Arizona.
Today's topic, the basics of the land business. We talked about Costco, we talked about
Walmart, Nordstrom.
Walmart's all about tons of available inventory at the cheapest possible price.
And cheap inventory.
Yep.
Not just cheap pricing. It's kind of like quality's a little bit different, but we won't go there.
Yeah, and the customers, everybody knows their customer. You know, we're, as most Land Academy members probably are, we're huge fans of Costco. I mean, especially now because it all gets delivered, and it's the best stuff you can get for a really reasonable price, I think.
So I'm sure the point, what you're saying is like the Walmarts, the Costco's, whatever. There's a couple things that are the basics of them that we all know what they are, and they keep the stores in business. Like Walmart has almost everything. They try to have something of everything you could possibly need, from tea towels to toothpicks, as cheap as possible. But we all know what a Walmart supercenter is. It's like, hold on to your hat. You know, it's 100,000 square feet or something. I don't even know.
There's no membership cost. There's no discount for members or any of that. Like every single grocery store has adopted that now.
Right.
You know,
it's really, really basics and inexpensive. So what are the basics for us?
So I was watching a Discord conversation about Land Academy and buying and selling land. And here's what I think. You need to, it's two components to this business. That's it. That's all you need to understand. You need to send out tens of thousands of mailers often. And then you need to do what Jill does, which is turn those responses into transactions.
Work the deals.
It's those two simple things.
Answer the phone.
Without either one of them, it won't work.
Mm-hmm. Isn't that funny? If you don't send out the mail, it doesn't matter how great you price it or how crappy you price it. Just get the mail out.
Yep.
Those are the basics. And as you go on, you're going to get really good at it.
We had a very detailed conversation about this in Career Path yesterday. And Brandon Kuhn, who's kind of our co-host in it, he's not a Career Path member. He was in
Career Path 001.
And we liked him so much, we just keep bringing him back now.
Yeah, he's fun.
And he said that he screwed up a mailer, priced it way too low, bought a couple of properties for $9,000 and sold each of them for $135,000. So you just have to get the mail out, and then you got to answer the phone. You
got to work the deals. That's it. You know, the basics, don't overthink it. I guess that's what the point is too. People walk in and they sit down, they try to dissect it and make this really a big deal. Well, part of it's true. There are a lot of moving parts, but the basics are, if you don't get the mail out, like I said, you're not going to do anything. And then if you don't answer the phone and do your due diligence and buy something and sell some and post it for sale, so you can sell something, it's not going to happen too. So you've got to do two parts. Get it out there and buy it and sell it. Seems basic, but it's funny. I just think people get so hung up on doing it perfect. What are some more basics? Let's just think about this. You've got to answer the phone. Really, right? You've got to do your due diligence, good, bad, or otherwise. Make the best decisions that you can. When you're new, by the way, I want you to have all 5 A's and maybe add a few more. You know, we joked about that.
That's what you
make your own 6 and 7 A's. You make sure you're like,
and that's what you have Land Academy for.
I almost missed that it had an HOA. Okay, got it. I'm going to make that.
I truly mean this. If you're in this group and you're not on Discord, you're not doing yourself any favors. It's a constant flow of, hey, should I do this deal or not? Hey, this guy called me back, this and this and this happened. You know, what should I do?
Real feedback.
And all of us are in there, including me, often saying, yeah, you should not do this deal. Or yes, you should do it. And you should call this guy back. And this is good and this is bad, or this is a red flag.
Yeah. I'm back to the basics of the show here on the thing. So you do the due diligence. What's next? Buy it. It's great. You have a great deal lined up. Now you got to buy it. And if you don't have the money, you know where to go. Speaking of which, the landfunding.com website is available to you now.
It's live.
It's live, available. Go look on it. You can apply not really apply, just fill out that, hey, here's the deal. Here's the deal. I need the cash. That's really about it. There's a number to call, a phone number. It's really good. So you need to buy it or get someone like me to give you the money, us, to buy it. And then now you own it. And for people listening, they're like, oh, you guys really put your names on the deeds? Yeah, our names are on the deeds. So you own it. Now I want you to turn around and sell it. Now, whether you're selling it on your website, all over social media, you're putting it on the MLS as a flat rate listing yourself, doesn't matter. Maybe you have a broker involved and they're going to do that work for you. Awesome. And then answer those calls, by the way. These are the basics. Now you've got to post it for sale. It really is. People drop the ball. Like, oh, I'm just waiting for somebody to check out and I don't have to talk to anybody. That may not be the case. Please, let's work the transaction. And then you sell it. And then what's going to happen though? You're going to, collect the money, do another deed, or go through escrow. There's all personal preference stuff here. And then you sell it, you own it. Now, or you've sold it, you've got the money. Now you're done. That's really kind of the basics in a nutshell. So it's like 8 things, if that. And then once you do one,
it's 2 things.
You can do more. Well, okay. We
so much for making this simple, Jill.
I did make it simple. I didn't get into those are just the basics, man.
Get the mail out, answer the phone. That's what this show's about.
All right.
And you will do real estate deals and make a bunch of money.
It's good. Need to send out a few thousand offers to property owners like us? Check out offers and the number 2owners.com. So it's offers2owners.com. No setup fees, free mail merge, exceptional service, and now including just released for everyone, concierge data and pricing. It's awesome. Give Offers to Owners a call today. We're Steve and Jill.
Information
and inspiration
to buy undervalued property.
We hope you find our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.